Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I didn't make video for a long time because I was a little busy. Not a little busy, it was very busy. So now I'm here for the JCB JS220 engine cannot start problem. So I will check it for this machine problem. Why this engine cannot start? As you can see, JS220. So let's go and see for the machine serial number. So the perfect number is 1792198. So okay, I will show you what is the engine here. You see we have two type of machine on the JS220. This one the diesel mass engine JCB 4.8 liter. Okay, so let's get into the operator cab and that's the engine. Why this cannot start? Okay, key on. Look at the monitor, 128 washer, but it doesn't affect to the engine cannot start problem. Okay, so no more any other error code, only exists for the 128 washer. I remember this 128 washer error code has been existing on this machine for a long time, so it doesn't affect to the engine cannot start problem. Okay, let's try to start. See, it's like a low battery because operator already tried to start the engine, but unfortunately he cannot start it. Okay, so I have the subject master 4 and enter to the machine diagnostic. What diagnostic code are existing on this machine? Okay, here engine diagnostic code. It's noisy because of the fuel level gauge. Okay, set. Loading. Wait for a while. Okay. Okay. So this is the engine status. 1 boost pressure at temperature, pure pressure. So I want to load this pure pressure. How much maximum pressure are reached at engine cranking position? So before I start the engine, so look at the engine diagnostic code. Here, this is the previous active focal, so a lot of error code, but this is the previous focal, not the active, previous active, not the current active. Yeah, E047 fuel temperature, E097 engine fuel, injection pump fuel controller, E085 injector solenoid, number 3 90, number 4 89, number 2 cylinder, 709 engine coolant. So As you can see, there are many error code as the previous. So okay, right now I will save all of this error code because I want to delete all of this error code. So I have to save for the first. Okay, I will delete this one for machine serial number. Okay, I will write it the easy remember name, Mr. Vilai machine error code. So I will save all of this error code before I delete it. Okay, right now already save it. So I will delete all of this error code because I will try to start again and wanted to know which error code are coming up again. So erase here or delete it and go back to the engine stator. Here, as you can see, pure rib pressure 3 bar, 1 2 3 bar. It's very rare. This must be the 0 bar. Why this is variation like the 1 to 3? So the pure rib pressure system is not normal, it's abnormal. Okay, so right now I will start the engine and look at here. When I crank the engine, your rib pressure stays same, 1 to 3. No pressure rise up, no pressure increase up. Okay, yeah, so that's why engine cannot start. Actually this must be about more than the 250 bar. So at least need the 250 bar. Then when start the engine, this reaching to the 390 or 390 to 400 bar while engine starting. Okay, so I will try again. Stay same. No pressure changing up. Okay, so I will turn on the diagnostic tool and close and shut on the computer because of my laptop battery. I cannot use for a long time because of the battery. Okay, turn off. So now I suspect the high pressure pump, CR pump, maybe have problem. So let's go to see the high pressure pump conditions. So high pressure pump is here. As you can see, high pressure pump is here. So I will remove the disc cover. Removing the full L key bowl and remove this cover, and can see the condition of the pump. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, remove for this L key full bowl. Here, this hole. So here, as you can see, supply has broken. Yeah, it's like a because of the quality of the pump, and also that they use it, the pure quality is a little low pure quality. It can damage to the pump for very quickly. Okay, here the supply is loose, so and look at the pump side over here, as you can see. Okay, so the issue, the one I told you I suspected for this pump, that's why I take it out. Now I found the problem, so I will change for this pump assembly, then we'll try to start again. So I already took it out the pump. So this is the pump. Look at the supply shaft here. Supply shaft. It's not too much damage. There is damage, but it's not too much damage. The damage side is in here, not the shaft and not the male on the female. So that's mean when the pump is rotating and slipping here, so cannot turn to the pure transfer pump side, so that's why engine cannot start. Okay, so the issue is the pump. So I will change this pump with the new one, then we will start the engine again. So this is the new pump. The olive. High off. Unboxing. Really brand new pump. Okay. Delphi pump. Okay, brand new. So I will insert this pump on the engine, then we'll test it again. Now, already replaced the new high pressure pump. Okay, as you can see. And so this time we need to check for the pure filter. So actually this must be during for pure flux, pure system flux. This means we need to clean the pure system before engine start. So but when I asked to the operator said all of this filter and pure system he cleaned already before I came here, and 2 days ago. Yeah, so it's not too long. So when I look at the condition of the fuel filter, so it's keep clean. So that's why I don't replace all of the fuel filter. So how many filter we use in the JCB? The 5 filter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, the one we call the last filter, the loop filter. Okay, so all of the fuel system and main pump, the CR pump is sure. So I will go to start the engine. Okay, let's look together. Before we do start the engine, we have to do for the air bleeding, fuel air bleeding, because of when we take out the fuel hose, the air will be exit in the fuel system. So for this, down on the key, and we can hear the fuel lip pump at the behind near the hydraulic pump. It's working. So we have to turn on about 3 or 4 times for the air bleeding in the fuel system. At buzzer song because of the fuel tank level sensor is not working. That's why. And also the 128 washer, the washer solenoid, because of the board, the water body is broken and solenoid is not connected. That's why this 128 error is shown on the monitor. So okay, so now I will look at for the diagnostic code and engine status. So now I am accessing the service master for the diagnostic. Okay, engine diagnostic. Wait for a while. And turn on and sap, click on the sap. It's loading, it's quite slow. Okay, so before we start, we have to make sure air completely out in the fuel system. So we have to do that many times, the key on, key off, for air bleeding out in the fuel system. But normally 5 or 6 times is enough. Okay, so right now I did it about 5 times already. So this time I will start the engine. Okay, look at the status. So I will try. Your brake pressure is rising up, as you can see. 3, 4, 5. Started and stop, shut down automatically, because I think the air in the fuel system is giving problem. The engine to shut down automatically. Yeah, so I have to make sure again for the air bleeding out in the fuel system. Okay, so I will try to start again. So I try to start 3 or 4 times already, but engine can start 1 time and then shut it down automatically. So on the other hand, I don't track through the fuel injector because of the fuel pump. The gear has broken and metal, it's kind of the debris. It's already go to the fuel system. So that's debris. It's kind of the material we gave into the injector for the no injection. So I was trying to start again. Here, as you can see, 5283. This fuel brake pressure is really good enough to start the engine, but engine still cannot start. Okay, yeah, so I have to recheck to the fuel injector. Before I go to check fuel injector, so I will check the fuel system to make sure no air in the fuel system. Yeah, so key on and have a look at. Okay. Now I'm checking for the fuel pump is strong enough for pump or not. Okay. So I got about more than 1 liter. So this is good enough. So there's no air in the fuel system. So I suppose the fuel injector, no injection. So I will go for the next step to check for your injector. So right now I will do the injector tags on the machine. So I have to take out, follow the injector from here. So take it out this pipe, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 screw, take it out, and this hose, bit the hose, remove it, then remove this rocker cover, the type cover, then we can take it, we can remove the folder the injector. Okay, so right now I will test the injector on machine using by like that, connecting by like that. Yeah, I use it all of the pipe. So I put it on the machine common rig, use it by each pipe, and also I will use it the engine wire harness for the to connect for the injector. Here I use like that. Okay, I got it ready to test. Bye. So we'll test the injector on machine. Look at this injector. It's not injection. Start. Only see only one injector. Only one injector. Number 2 injector. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not no injection. So that's why this engine cannot start. Dripping. As you can see, number 4 injector is dripping. So this cannot be used. Cannot use it. Must be replaced. Okay, restart again to take for the another fuel return test. Okay, so it's good condition, it's normal. That's it, finish.